Let me ask you something. Have you ever needed to make plans in English? Maybe arrange a meeting or a delivery and felt just a little unsure about how to say the day correctly? When can you deliver it?
I can get it to you next Wednesday.
Sorry, when?
Wednesday.
Are you trying to say Wednesday? It's really common. Those days of the week look simple on paper, but the pronunciation can be tricky with silent letters and unusual vowel sounds. Plus, getting the stress in the right place. Saying them incorrectly can sometimes lead to misunderstandings. Today, we're going to fix that. We'll go through all 7 days step by step, focusing on the correct sounds and stress. By the end of this lesson, you'll be pronouncing every day of the week clearly and confidently. Hi, I'm Steve. Let's do this. Before we start with the days themselves, let's quickly talk about stress. Look at this picture of a stage show and notice that although there are lots of performers on the stage, your eyes go straight to the ones right here because they have spotlights on them. The director of the show wants your attention on these and not the rest of the performers. It's the same with spoken English. Stress is about making some words, and indeed some parts of the words, as clear as possible to the listener. For the days of the week, it's easy because the stress is always going to be on the first part. Getting this right is the key to sounding natural. Okay, so we know that stress is on the first part, but that's only half the battle. We still need to pronounce the whole word correctly, starting with the day sound itself. To make the d sound, touch the top or roof of your mouth with this part of your tongue. It's not the very tip of your tongue, the N, it's back a little. Repeat after me. D, d. You try. D. The second part is the A sound. And this really is 2 sounds. Start by opening your mouth slightly and leave your tongue resting in the bottom of your mouth. Now make this sound. E. Close your mouth slightly to make E sound. Slowly it's this. A. A. And at normal speed, A. You try. Now the whole thing. Day. Day. Now let's start at the beginning of the week, Monday. Listen carefully. Monday. Lots of my students get this wrong and pronounce that O sound like it is in hot. Monday. But what you need to use is the short sound, like it is in cup or sun. Monday. Remember the stress, like all the days of the week, is at the start. Repeat after me. Monday. One more. Monday. Now try it in this sentence. I'm going to start my new job on Monday. Next is Tuesday. This one often trips people up. When would you like the appointment for?
Tuesday.
When?
Tuesday afternoon.
Oh, Tuesday. That ch sound can be tricky, but it doesn't need to be. Simply don't bother trying to make the t sound at all. Instead, just use the ch sound like a train. Ch, ch, ch. It's also the same as the sound at the start of the word choose. And the vowel sound is a long oo sound, which you make by pushing your lips forward. Oo. So this is Tuesday. You try. Tuesday. To be fair, some British speakers might use a ch sound, Tuesday. But Tuesday is easily the most common way of saying it. Now use Tuesday to answer this question. What day are you going on holiday? Now for the day that looks completely different from how it sounds. Perhaps the trickiest of all, Wednesday. Listen to what happens if you try to pronounce all of the letters.
So we've got to get this done by Wednesday. Is that right? Wednesday?
When? Like lots of crazy English words, the spelling is designed to confuse everyone. So forget the spelling and listen to the sound. Wednesday. Yes, only 2 syllables or parts. Wednesday. The stress is on wens and the D is completely silent. Just ignore it. And the ness part is a Z sound. So it's Wednesday. You try. Wednesday. Remember the stress at the start. Wednesday. Now use Wednesday to answer this question. When are you going to the dentist? A quick vocabulary tip here. When a week on is put before any day of the week, for example, a week on Monday, it means not next Monday, but the one a week later. So in the answer you just gave, it's not the coming Wednesday, but 7 days after that, a week on Wednesday. Now let's check out Thursday, which is named after the Norse god Thor. There are 2 tricky things to get right here. First is the th sound. A big mistake I see students make is to have their tongue too floppy or too stiff. It should just be firm like this. And don't push it too far past your teeth. It shouldn't be more than a couple of millimeters. When you've got your tongue right, just push air past it like this. Th, th, th. Now pull your tongue back and down so it rests at the bottom of your mouth and make the air sound, like in the word bird. So together it's thir, thir. Repeat after me, Thursday. Once more, Thursday. Now, use Thursday to answer this question. What day are the neighbours coming around? Now we have the day many people look forward to, Friday. Pronounce the F sound by gently placing your top teeth on your bottom lip, like this. Next, in English, we usually only pronounce an R if it's followed by a vowel sound. So because the R in Friday is followed by an I, we have to say it by pushing our lips forward. Rye. You try. Remember, push those lips forward. Rye. Now smoothly go from the F to the rye, like this. Fry. You try. Fry. And now the whole thing, Friday. Once more, Friday. Repeat this sentence. I forgot it was Friday and was late for work. Let's enter the weekend with Saturday. This has 3 parts. The UR in the middle is replaced with the schwa sound, which is that little sound. You make it by resting your tongue in the bottom of your mouth, opening your mouth slightly, and from here make this little noise, To sound like a native British speaker, move the T from the end of sat to the front of that schwa sound and you get sa-t. And at normal speed, sat-a. Add the day and you have the whole word, sat-a-day, Saturday, Saturday. You try. Use Saturday to answer this. When can you come and see me? And finally we have Sunday. This is very similar to Monday. The stress is on the sun, and again that U makes a short sound, like in fun. It's definitely not Sunday or Sunday. It's Sunday. You try. Sunday. Now use Sunday to answer this question. What's the last day of the weekend? Now let's put it all together with a quick practice. Repeat each day after me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Learning how to correctly pronounce the days is great, but if you're ready for the next challenge, click on this video for another great English language lesson. I'll see you next time.